Hey y'all, thank you so much for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. In today's video, we are working with Tinashe Hair. They sent me out a 13x4 lace frontal wig. The texture is a deep wave and the inch is a 24 inch. This is everything that came in my package, and yeah. I'm not too sure what density this wig is, y'all. I want to say it's either a 180 or a 200% density, I think, but I'm gonna have the correct information in the description box if you're interested in this wig. So I want to show y'all that I did bleach the knots on this wig, and the knots bleached really good, like perfectly the first go round. So here is the install portion of the video. I did use bedhead hard head spray to apply my wig for a glueless install, and some things I wanted to mention about this wig. First of all, the wig was a little too snug for my head. I am a medium size. I usually get medium caps for my wigs. My circumference is a 22 inch. Now I do want to say that my hair was not braided underneath this time. I have my natural hair out, so that could have contributed, but I don't think so, because I have worn other wigs recently with my hair out, and my wigs fit perfectly, and they were medium caps as well. So I wanted to mention that. So if you get this wig and you're the same head size as me, or just period, I would go up a size if you can. Also, if you have a low hairline, it is not low hairline friendly, so you would have to go in and customize it if you want to. Me, I was lazy on this day, so I did not customize the hairline to like mesh well with mine. I'm pretty sure if I would have did that, it would have fit better on my head, but I did not customize the hairline. So yeah, keep that in mind as well. I did mention that the knots bleached really well, which it did, but the wig does shed some. Now, since it's a curly, wavy, deep wave texture, I expect it to shed, but it did shed a little bit. But I think I want to say maybe it was because of when I was plucking the hair and how the knots bleached really good. Maybe that some of the hair that was coming out was from me bleaching the knots. But yeah, other than that, the hair was really soft, like super duper soft. And I didn't have any issues with tangling as I was like defining my curls. But yeah, that's pretty much all of the things I had to say about this wig. So yeah, if you're interested in this wig or the company, I do have all of their information and the specs for this wig in the description box for you to check out. And yeah, I'm going to get out of here. Thank y'all so much for stopping by again to watch another one of my videos. I really appreciate you all. And to Tinashe Hair, I want to say thank you as well for sending me out this wig. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm going, y'all. Talk to y'all later.
Sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I get high off the mud, don't know how to behave. Brown Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Give me some of your brown sugar, babe. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more.